Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Windows Defender Remediation Incomplete error message on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial and will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Windows Security. Best match, will come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select where it says Protection History. And now on the right side, if you notice any items in here, again, that would say Remediation Incomplete, you would just select it and then click the Action drop-down. And then you would select Allow. Again, you're not going to see that because I don't actually have any issues on my end on this computer, but you would select underneath wherever the recent items would be and where it says Remediation Incomplete. You would click on that selection, I would guess you would call it. It would show a bigger box here as you expanded it, and then it'd be an Actions button as you see just like it shows on my screen here. You would click the drop down and you would select Allow or block. I mean, if you want to block it too, you can do that as well. You have options there. Whatever options are available, they would show them under this drop down. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.